If you own a camper or RV, you know how important a reliable slide-out seal is for comfort and protection. This slide-out seal system is designed to restore a tight, secure barrier that helps keep out water, dust, wind, and debris while extending the life of your slide mechanism. It is an ideal solution for replacing worn or cracked rubber seals or for new installations during an upgrade or renovation. Built with integrated UV inhibitors, this seal is made to withstand prolonged sun exposure and changing weather conditions, helping reduce premature aging and cracking. The material remains flexible yet strong, allowing smooth slide operation while maintaining a consistent seal. The base features a straight-edge design that makes alignment simple and accurate, even for first-time installers. Installation is fast and hassle-free thanks to the strong adhesive backing. No special tools or professional experience are required, making it a practical do-it-yourself project that can save you significant repair costs compared to camper shop service fees. Many users have successfully replaced their old slide seals in a short amount of time and report smooth operation with no issues after installation. This seal comes in black and measures 1 inch in width by 15/16 inch in height with a total length of 35 feet, providing enough material for most slide-out applications. It can be trimmed to fit as needed and works well for both partial repairs and full replacements. To provide extra peace of mind, this product includes 2 years of quality assurance along with free return and exchange support, delivering a truly worry-free experience. If you are looking for a cost-effective and reliable way to protect your RV and improve slide performance, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase today. Subscribe to the channel to discover more RV maintenance tips and practical upgrade solutions.